When Cedral Click is manufactured, all edges are mechanically cut and factory painted. Where possible, use the finished edges where joints between planks are required to give the most aesthetically pleasing finish. If this is not possible, Cedral touch-up paint is used to finish the cut edges of planks. Thoroughly mix the touch-up paint before application. Touch-up paint should be applied sparingly to cut edges with a small brush, ensuring not to drip or splash paint onto the face of the planks. Wipe away any sections of excess paint from the face of the Cedral Click plank with a clean, dry cloth. Two planks can be joined on any one single click clip. Loosely butt the two planks together without using force. Place a single clip onto the top of the two planks and screw into place so both planks are secured top and bottom.